guys, Mr. Birdman 193, and welcome to a video. And in this video, I will be playing a Gmod. I finally got it, guys. And oh my god, something's wrong with my mouse. Something was wrong with my settings. Show help mail. Oh, there we go! Hey guys, Mr. Birdman 193, and welcome to a video. In this video, I will be playing Gmod! Oh! Can I get inside? Zoom, zoom. Can I get in the car? Alright. Oh my god, I love this game. Excuse me. Oh! Yes. Oh my god. There we go. I want to kill more people. Wait, you know what? I need to spawn. Die. Does this make me a murderer? I'm holding guns, but does this make me a murderer? Wait, gravity gun. Wait, wrong gun. It's like it's going. Oh, he hurt me? Oh, you're going down. What should I kill him with? For crossbow. I'll kill him with crossbow. Okay. Yeah! I need to get more guns. Where's my Jeep? I just summoned a Jeep. Oh. How about I just like summon it right here? How do I get in the Jeep? Do I like press? Oh! Oh! Oh, there we go. Oh, a little bit of lag. Oh! That reminds me. How do I get out? How do I get out? I don't even know what button I pressed to get in here. How do I get out? Oh my god, how do I get out? 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 Am I really stuck in a car? Alright, oh, wrong way! Maybe if I, like, summon something? Oh! Gotta kill somebody. Nope, I have to... Oh. Let's see. I want a helicopter. Nine gun? Oh. I have to kill somebody with a 9 gun. Alright, NPCs, let's kill this guy. Yep, spawn him in the wrong button. Spawn him in right there. Oh my god. I shot him! I'm sorry, sir. I'm gonna go grab my lightsaber. Wait. I have to... Let's equip a shotgun. No. 3-3 shotgun. +5. Oh, how about we do the crossbow? How do I get in? Nope. Oh, that's U P O. How do I get inside? How do I get inside? Bye-bye. But there's one thing I want to do. A rebel! I'm gonna kill innocent. Oh my god! That's creepy. That dude's creepy. Oh! You know what? I gotta get a new weapon. You know what? I'm killing them with the 9 gun. Wait, 2, 2. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Meow, 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 meow. Oh, there we go. 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 There's another survivor. What? Wait. I gotta grab the lightsaber. Oh! Wait, I gotta spawn some guys in. that is. Right. Oh my god. Wrong button. Continuously. Alright. Alright guys, and that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. Until smash the like button and subscribe. And if you want to see this more, just leave a like down below or a comment that says I want more Gmod. And that's basically it. Peace out! Bye guys.